Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, we are learning how to disable email notification on EA account. If you are getting too many promotional emails from EA and want to stop them, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in ea.com in the URL box and search. Once you end up in the ea.com's website, make sure you are also logged into your account. After you are signed into your ea.com account, the next thing to do is to go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top right corner. Now select Account Settings from the menu. From the Account Settings or the Account Management page, scroll down and click on Communication Preference. Now under Communication Preferences, you'll see Email Me about EA's product, news, events, and promotions. To turn off your email, toggle off the switch right next to Email Me about EA's products tab over here at the top. And after it is off, you have successfully turned off email preference or communication preferences. So there you have it. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.